Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Haugen. Hey, today in our blue math packet, we're going to do lesson 9, so get that out for me, please. So today we're going to make money two different ways. So we're going to use different combinations of coins to make the same total, the same value. So if you can see number 1 here says 26 cents. So they went ahead and put down 26 cents. So they did it by using 2 dimes, that's 20 cents, a nickel, which is 25, which is 5, but makes a total of 25, and then a penny, which gets them to 26 cents. Our job is to find a different way to make 26 cents. So for example, because they used 2 dimes and a nickel, I know that a different way to make 25 cents is a quarter. So I can use a quarter, and then I would just need one more penny to make 26 cents. Now, we did some of this in school before we had to leave, and I know you guys are really pretty good at this already. So I just want to practice with a few more just to refresh your memory, okay? So number 2, they want us to make 35 cents. They showed one way. Our job is to show a second way. So again, they used 3 dimes, 10, 20, 30, and then the nickel makes 35. Well, again, guys, those quarters are really handy to have around. That's 25 cents. And in order to get to 35, all I need is a dime. 25 plus 10 is 35 cents. So there are many ways to make 35 cents. You could also use 35 pennies, but that's the easy way. So I want you to use your brain a little bit more than that instead of just 35 pennies. Let's look at number 3. They did 55 cents. Now they used those quarters, which means we can't use 2 quarters to make 50 cents, but we can use 1 if we want. Or we can just do tens. We could do 10, so I'm going to draw dimes, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. Now there's many ways we could have done this. We could have stuck with 1 quarter and counted from there. I'll do a different way and show you. So we could have also done 25, 35, 45, 55. That would have been another great way to make 55 cents. So as long as we don't use the exact same coins that they do, there's many options for how we can make this amount a different way. The last one we have here is 75 cents. Now, they did it the quick way. They used 3 quarters, so we have to come up with a different way. Now, if you want, you can keep 2 of those quarters. That's fine too. Or I know that dimes are also really easy to count by. So I know that if I use 7 dimes, how much money would that be? Counting by 10, 7 times would be 70. And all I would need to add on to that is a nickel. So 7 dimes would equal 70, plus a nickel would be 75. And I can do this a different way. I could keep a quarter. I could even keep 2 quarters. That would be 50 cents. Then I can count by 10. So there's 50, 60. Well, that's not right, is it? Let's try that again. So I have 50 cents, 60, 70, 75 cents. Boys and girls, the great thing about this is there's not just one correct answer. There are many ways to make this amount of money. So when you're working on your exit ticket or homework, I don't remember, in your class kick, be really careful because I know you are pretty good at this already. Have fun.